Nokia 9 PureView smartphone is finally official after months of leaks and speculation. Does it live up to the rumors? Here's a first look. The phone packs 5 rear cameras with Zeiss certified lenses, which are joined by 3 12-megapixel monochrome lenses and 2 12-megapixel RGB sensors. Each of these cameras is triggered when a person takes a shot, and the phone fuses these photos together to create a single image. On the front, there's a 20-megapixel selfie shooter. The camera system has been developed in partnership with Light. HMD Global has also worked with Qualcomm and Google to optimize a camera setup to fully utilize the Snapdragon 845 SoC's power and work well with Google Photos app. Among other specifications, the phone sports a 5.99-inch Quad HD Plus POLED screen with 18:5:9 aspect ratio and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The Nokia 9 packs 6GB of RAM, 128GB of inbuilt storage, and 3320 mAh battery with wireless charging support. It's IP67 certified for water and dust resistance and packs a USB Type-C port. There is no 3.5mm audio jack though. The Nokia 9 PureView runs Android 9 Pie and will come with next-generation Pro Camera user interface. This will allow users to take effective control of the penta-lens setup, including allowing them to take native monochrome shots. According to HMD Global, the Nokia 9 PureView will carry a price tag of $699 and it will be available for pre-orders immediately in select markets around the world. Sales open in March 2019. India-specific pricing and availability details remain a mystery for now. The company notes that the Nokia 9 PureView will be offered in the Soul Midnight Blue color. We have a lot more MWC coverage coming up for you on Gadgets 360, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss on the action. Thanks for watching.